Hello to anyone who might be out there. I'm not really paying much attention here because I'm trying to, pay attention to the road. As you can see, I'm coming south on the Henry Hudson Parkway, crossing 190th Street, about to hit the George Washington Bridge. And it has been a very, very gentle drive this morning up, even though I've had a lot of snafus. So if anybody's out there, I am not cooking because it took me an hour to get into my Zipcar this morning. And I am not home yet. So to whomever is out there, I love you all, and I'll touch base when I get back to New York. There's New Jersey. Isn't it a beautiful day? All right. So, I'm staying south on the Henry Hudson Parkway. Ciao, guys. I gotta log off.